What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is John Hart. I haven't posted anything in the past 3 weeks. I do want to sneak in. I want to say that thanks for everybody that watching and subscribing. If you are brand new, my name is John Hart, and I am basically your host today. Today, I want to talk about Lyft, Uber, Lyft. I have a position with Lyft, and since the election, and especially with the Prop 22, Uber and Lyft basically jumped very high, and I did sell my position. Now the question is, did I sell it too early? Is there more any upside to it? So without further ado, let's jump into it and let's take a look. All right, guys. So I am showing you my screen. As you can see right now, I'm looking at the daily chart, and the daily chart, if you see Lyft, it's hitting the 50 moving average. See on the red line. And on the bottom, we also have the 200 moving average and then 50 moving average. Blue is 50, red is 200 moving average. Now, since then, the stock basically just been sideways, and then we had an oversold condition, and we rally, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. I do have a position here at 27 something as an average, and of course with the campaign it went up to 32. I knew 32 is the level for me to sell. I woke up that morning, tried to sell it, and then it just basically keep rolling down from 32 just at the open, and then it just go all the way down to 29.50 area before it just sideways. It's a crazy move. The good thing that I'm still making money, although it will be nice to sell it at 32. That will be about 7 to 8,000 roughly profit. But it is what it is. So now the question is on the title is, did I sell it too early? I mean, is there any potential more upside? Now, as you know, Lyft is basically just sideways here at 29.60, 29.50, and it's trying to go to, maybe going to the 32 again and test it. We do have an earning coming up on Monday after hours. So let's take a look on the toss here. Come on. Let's maximize that, and if you see that day, I just want to show you that day when I tried to sell it, just keep flushing down. I didn't even get a chance to set up a limit, and I just basically hit the market after that, just like get me out, take my profit, and I'm out. Sideways for a couple days, and then we see a bounce today. So technically we have a low high. And so the question is right now, I don't know if we're gonna have another pullback, but if you see market on ES, it's short-term overbought. The MACD is curling, which is there's more upside coming. I do expect we're gonna have a minor pullback and then start going up again. Squeeze is there, MACD is there, and the problem, the volume is depleting, right? Which is normal after 4 days rally. So yeah, I expect next week we're probably gonna have a minor pullback to 34.50. That level need to stay, otherwise we're gonna keep going lower, possible to 3200 again. Now 3200 is a very, very support area, major support area. We've been testing it for 1, 2, 3, 4, I think multi months here, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So if that breaks, then technically we're gonna go down to that level around 3,000 on ES future. Now if that happen, yeah, technically we basically confirming the high low on the ES. Now going back to LYFT, we have basically the earning on Monday night. We do have a potential maybe, pull back a little bit and then going high. Let's take a look here on the chart again. This is much cleaner. We're gonna go to weekly, and then you can see right there the 50 moving average on weekly is around 34-ish, right? Now we do have a potential, maybe we will have a poke to that 34 and then start dribbling down back again to the range around 30-ish, 28, between 28 to 32 level. That's kind of the range I'm looking at. So if that will be the case, I do have a couple play that I want to do. Then I'm gonna lay out this play shortly. So let's take a look. Probably I want to do a sell. Let's take a look on Uber chart. If we're gonna have the same play, we're gonna poke to that 34. We're gonna go bat earning 27, 26 area. So I'm gonna start. If we do have a minor pullback, I'm gonna start selling on the 26. Sell put on 26. So that will be a good area for me to either accumulate a share or basically just play with the minor quick bounce and then taking the premium from there. Selling put on 26, either November 20th. Yeah. And I don't know how much that will give it to me. We'll go over on that one shortly. But sell put, and then let's take a look here on the options. All right, I did research here today. If we do sell put, I'm gonna look at November 20th. On the call side, we see there's a lot big volume, so I do expect it's gonna be more bullish side coming. On the downside, I don't see that many except 25, maybe 27-ish. And let's take a look on the November 13, which is the weekly expiration for that earning. We see that 27. Nothing much OI on that. That's a bigger OI on the lower side, and then the upper side, which is the call, we're seeing more and more volume on that side. So yeah, I'm expecting there's more people betting for higher movement on this stock. So let's say if by Monday, before the close, let's say we close by 30, right? So plus minus is gonna be $3 on the move. So 27 on the downside, 33 on the upper side. Yeah, we can start selling the 26. That would be good. And then maybe I can do also the debit spread call. Maybe buying 30 and then selling 35 on that November 20th, and then selling the 26 to basically help me decreasing the amount of money I'm paying. So that's kind of the bullish play I want to do with LYFT earning. Let's take a look more here. Yeah, 32 might be another play again. So, and 34, that's kind of the upper side, so I'm looking at 32, 33, 34. Otherwise, we're just gonna I think this is, if you want to follow, make sure that you sell it right away if it popped to the up to the upside, because I do think this stock is just gonna be sideways. Because keep in mind, well, let's take a look Uber first. Uber has an earning yesterday, and then stock basically go down and then go up, right? And it seems like the earning doesn't really bother much because the movement seems like they more into the Prop 22 play. People like when they win, and there's more also hedge fund and analysts upgrade the stock. So I'm expecting that will also happening the same time with LYFT. The same thing happened with LYFT. Let's see what else we have here. So we're expecting higher. And for those of you that basically, I'm just trying to re-record the audio because somehow I did record this and the audio did not come in. So I just have to re-record the audio. I apologize when you kind of seeing the screen and also just hearing my voice and looking at the mouse movement. So that's all I have, and thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Take care.